All right, these are the elevators at the Agricultural Industries and Sciences Building, or Agricultural Sciences and Industries Building, Penn State main campus, State College, Pennsylvania. These are Otis Lexan. Judging by that chime, these were probably installed before they started using Series 1. 5, close it up. Get a cat view. Here we are at 5B. Actually, we're going to send this one to B. Clearly, this is a custom Series 1 lantern. Wow. Yeah, clearly this is a custom Series 1. B. Here we're at B, the button already went out. 5. That lights up. More classrooms down here. This is clearly a custom Series 1 given those lanterns. Wow. I think you can sort of see into the shaft. Send this one up. Elevator 246. Map of the building. Agriculture, Science, and Industry Building. Lantern. Couldn't sort of see the LEDs if my phone will focus on them. 5. I believe these are traction. Landed at 1. So see the LEDs. No phone. Takes a while to start up. Send this puppy up to 5. And that's it.